Cities are one of the biggest users of drones today. A lot of cities are being introduced to drones by maybe one department for public events, public safety, bridge inspections. Each department is starting to see all these different use cases across the nation. Usually when you just ask the question, do you know where you can and can't fly a drone within your community? They don't have the answers. How do you handle privacy issues? How do you handle where you can take off and land or no-fly zones? That's where we come in to help them put together a process to understand how to communicate and answer those types of questions.
Without having a full understanding of what's in our sky, we would be putting our community at risk.
Drones are saving lives today across the nation. It's about just getting eyes on scene early, whether it be an active shooter or a report of someone having a gun. When there's an emergency or a missing person, they have the ability to send out a drone that can sense people at night, linear inspection, roof inspection. Those are complex jobs, and if we can now use a drone to collect that data and view that data at the comfort of your computer, that is a lot easier.
On the public side, I think the foundation of any public safety UAS program is building public trust and legitimacy. And with that comes education, where people understand how we're actually using the aircraft, putting robots in dangerous situations to save human lives.
Do you know where and when drones are flying within your community? We have a sensor that can detect drones. Now you have a little bit more of accountability.
How do we know where drones are flying? How can we do analysis of, is our city being impacted by drones? That's where a sensor being placed on top of our city hall was able to really give us that real-time information.
By embracing drones and being prepared, you can start to attract drone companies. Creating a drone-friendly community, that means creating an airspace use management tool to help with site selection is a tool that the FlySafe program provides.
One way or another, it's coming to your town. So even if you decide that your role as a city isn't to implement drones, at the bare minimum have governance in place, have ordinance, have policy in place on how you're going to address it, because it will be coming to your city one way or another.
One of the best things cities can do today is future-proof. Our job as a company is to make sure that communities, whatever level they're at, that their foundation is good to be able to grow compliantly with the drone community. Airspace Link has a UAS integration framework, a process to help communities mature their drone program, that they are future-proof to support the integration of advanced air mobility.